In this video, you will learn about what is Forex chart, how to read Forex chart, and how to understand Forex chart.
When you first pull up a chart in MetaTrader, it may look like this. A black background with some green lines. If we zoom in, you can tell that these lines have a meaning to them. Each line indicates 1 hour worth of trading. We can actually change this variable to a day. So each bar equals a day. So if we want to see what happened last week, we would look back 7 bars. And so this has been the price action within the last week. These are what's called bar charts. On the bottom, you have the date. So each row or each column where you see the dotted lines are going to indicate a day. Actually, they placed a bar in between those as well. I'm sure if we zoom in, they'll give, yep, each dotted line is going to indicate a day. I like to clean my chart up personally and use candlesticks. And in addition, I like to place a white background. The green candlesticks are going to indicate price movements where the price ended up positive. Red, price movements that ended up negative. A candlestick is going to show you 4 things. Where the price opened, so let's use a daily. Yesterday, this green candlestick here, we opened at the bottom. We hit a high of, actually this top wick here is going to indicate what the high of the day was. The top of the green is the close, and that is the open. So open, close, top, or high of the day, low of the day. The same structure applies to when you're looking at a 15-minute. Each one of these bars indicates 15 minute increments. So this is where it opened. This is where it opened. It dropped, ran back up, hit a high, couldn't break through it, close, on to the next bar. This is how you read charts. On the right hand side you have the prices of where these currencies are trading. You can zoom out of the chart, and this is basically what technical analysis is. You're going to look at the price action and you're going to make an assumption of where you think the market's going. Maybe it hit a specific level, like 1.4. That could be a major support or resistance level. So these strategies are discussed more thoroughly in some of the other videos, but that is a basic rundown of reading Forex charts.